Just got the shit from Tool Station. Let's fucking go, boy.
Fiat, the old Fiat, old school Fiat. Jeez.
So basically, I closed the bonnet and I can't open it. Perfect fit. So I'm going to weld, I'm going to cut this little bit off here. So, yes. Fit flush in there. Tidy that up, pull that bit out. All holes filled. That looks fucking good. So good. Come on, that looks fresh, mate. Mate, I'm so happy with that one. It started raining and I literally started packing up and shit. And then it stopped and managed to finish that last bit. Got a mad bite on my head. It's like huge. Look at the size of that shit. I'm a riding. I'm with fucking riding. And we're riding out. Come on, G, active as fuck. We're doing this thing, brother. It started raining halfway through doing the fucking welding and that. I had to stop. I started putting my shit away and then fucking, mate, then it started getting all sunny like this. So I cracked on, mate. Got it done. Got the seal stuff on there, bruv. Lit, we're lit. Look, sunroof and that, we're lit out here. Yes, G, loving it. He's loving it. Come on, boys. We're fucking active as fuck. Proper active. Oh, it's starting to rain again. That cedar isn't even dry yet. Come on, people. Mate, every gear, this is just like ready for this gear change down there, though. Mad thing, yeah, you get me. You hearing that? Come on, G. This is fucking the maddest rip on road today. Can you hear that shit? That is fucking loud. Let me see if we can open the window. You hear that? Let me do that window. You hear that shit? Not bad. I thought they was much worse than they are. They're actually pretty fucking good. Which, because yeah, I guess I was just comparing them to my fucking like fucking cars like now. Just blocking up the whole road and that. Some people wanted to. Sounds like a big fucking monster truck or something. I can't believe it makes that noise every gear. It's so crazy. Oh, it's proper starting to rain. Fuck's sake. Let's try and get it in the garage without it getting wet, man. I just don't want underneath it to get wet. Because that's just peak. Do you know what I'm saying? Cruising, 5th gear thing, 40. That's the speed limit here, so mate, why is it raining? Just stop, mate, wait the time for that. She actually feels like a lot better to drive today for some reason. The first time, like when I drove her the other day to start that welding, it did feel a bit booky. Oh, the windscreen wipers are lagging it. Come on, G, we're out here. This is so fucking lit, man. Don't pull out. Van's just popped out. That's so big. So basically, mate, she actually moves so hard. Basically, fucking, yeah, I fucking took her out in that. Basically, like, it started raining like it's raining now. And I had to fucking I had to put away the welder. Fucking rain shit.
Guys, just another one, yeah. Basically, I think it was man like Paul, something like Paul, from the Fiat Coupe forum said I needed to, when I done the cam belt, that I should do the, what's it called? aux belts as well. I wasn't sure if the matey done them or not, yeah, but basically he did do them because I got the kit here. I wasn't sure because I just said, yeah, do like a full cam belt kit, but there's 2 belts in here, or 3, so he's definitely done all of them, because this is the cam belt, this was the cam belt, yeah, and then this is, was that one? Yeah, that's the aux belt. Oh, and there's another one underneath that, so a bit confused, but yeah, he's definitely done them. And that's the old pulley, that's the old water pump bit. So yeah, man, Paul's a good fucking geezer. Thanks for that, mate. And the actual mechanic who done it for me is called Paul as well. So Paul's a well-known geezers, do you know what I mean? They're always sound geezers, but thanks for that, guys. You know what, I ain't pro at this. This is my first project, first car like this. It's all new. Learn how to weld just to do this, do you know what I mean? So I appreciate that. Always let me know any comments and that. If you want to comment on my vids, it literally makes my day, man. I don't really get much comments and that, but I appreciate you watching anyway. So yeah, banged it out today. Done. No, the done. No.